everyone here is just building a lot of crazy stuff.
Super nice. Like I just talk with people around. People can always inspire me, right? So I built something very interesting because I feel nowadays the AI is a bit too robotic. I want to build an AI with a soul.
I just love exploring all the pretty flowers in the forest.
Building a logistics system for Brazilian market but also American market. Nowadays when we talk about logistics, we are talking about a lot of paper, a lot of document that it has to pass through the governments so the shipment can get taken out of the port.
We are a team and we have participated in the hackathon. An AI agent, personalized AI agent, which will have access to your health apps, your Uber, your DoorDash and everything, and it will recommend you whether you should book a cab, whether you should do a workout right now, or maybe whether you should order food or order groceries.
Yeah, so the experience was really new because the GMI Cloud, HydraDB, and if we are using for the first time and exploring everything with the errors and everything, it's really exciting and people out here are very helpful. So like people from GMI Cloud, HydraDB, they are here to support us and the vibe is really nice.
We decided to build Insta for lazy people, and all you gotta do is click this button to become famous. We generate videos from your Gmail account, use Buffer to post them to your Instagram story so that you can become famous at the click of a button. So yeah, Insta for lazy people.
Met each other at the hackathon, so like this is a spontaneous group, and yeah, the socializing factor is there, and we learned a lot about GMI, so I think I'm gonna keep using it for sure.
Our tool helps quite a lot.
It tries to map out the different interactions. So if you, for example, knock down a protein, what will happen to other proteins in the vicinity interacting with this protein or being influenced by it. You get to test your hypotheses using these agents that actually have an understanding of the data and the connections between them. Submitted the project with 1 minute to go. So yeah, a stressful but fun day. Yeah.